guys, I'm Vindhya. I am a food blogger and I run an Instagram handle called Vin's Plate. So today I will be cooking for you orzo bean spinach soup. This is orzo. This is a kind of a miniature pasta. When you don't want to have rice and you don't want to have really big pasta, you can think about orzo. This is the kind of a cooked orzo, cooked like any other pasta. I've just cooked it and drained it. So now let's take some olive oil. Here we go. Say about like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We are going to start with our carrots. Since carrot takes a little extra time, we don't want to overcook it as well. I'll put my onions, say about 1 onion thinly sliced. Let me put my red yellow bell pepper. It gives a great color to the soup. I'll put my garlic. Say about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic crushed. I'm putting celery, say about 1 tablespoon of celery, and I'll put my cherry tomatoes as well. A little of the chives. I will put little salt so that it helps the vegetables to cook. I'm putting a little bit of thyme. To add a little bit of protein, I have added this cooked red kidney beans. So I'm going to stir it a little. I'm adding a little bit of spinach leaves. These are baby spinach. I'm going to again give it a stir. So I'm going to add a little bit of puree, tomato puree in it. This is about half a cup. So now I'm adding the orzo, 3 tablespoons of orzo. I'm going to add water. I'm giving it a nice stir. I'll give it a little boil. Adding a little bit of black pepper. Little bit of roughly chopped basil. I'm giving it a nice stir. You can have it hot or cold in all seasons. I'm adding a little bit of lime juice. This soup is very simple to make, and the beauty about this soup is that you don't need any other appliance to make it. You don't need to grind it. It's just made in one pot with all kinds of veggies possible. It's a very healthy, very light soup. This soup can be accompanied with the sourdough bread or any crispies. It's loaded with so many colorful vegetables that it will lit up your mood. And when you don't want to have a really big meal, this orzo soup can really make you very happy. So if you like my video of making the orzo spinach soup, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.